Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, we're going to talk about growing in zone 8, 8B, zone 9 and all these places. You can actually grow a year-round crop in these zones. You just got to choose which plant you know that can deal with the cold weather. Like we have celery. Celery could deal with the cold weather. We have onion. We have celery, we have Greek oregano, we have scallion, we have thyme, we have celery, we have sage. All these crops you could actually grow in the winter. So you could definitely have a year-round crop going. You cannot do pepper. This is a pepper. And as you see, the weather hit it and it's catch up. So you know you cannot do pepper. That's out the way. You have basil. This basil, a part of it has catch up because of the weather. So you know these plants, you got to leave them. We have, right here we have chocolate mint. These type of plants can deal with cold weather, especially if you're in zone 8, zone 9. Beautiful. So you could grow sage, you could grow thyme. This is thyme that coming back. You can grow mint, you can grow celery, you can grow parsley, you can grow scallion. Let me show you what's going on down here. This is a sage I know transplant and we in the winter. We in November. Now this is another sage I know transplant and we have a thyme here I know transplant. This is rosemary, but as you see the weather tear it, beat it down. What I'm doing, I'm actually covering them. I'm covering them at night with this container so they could catch themselves. Over here we have celery, burdock. All this is Greek oregano, right? These are seedlings that I set. And this seedling is doing pretty well. As you see, I have this container over it and it's doing pretty well. So if you're in zone 7, zone 8, 9, you could actually have a crop going right through the year. Study the plants. I already tell you, parsley, celery, thyme, sage, onion, garlic, scallion, all these things can stand the cold weather. Right now we have cauliflower, cabbage, and broccoli. These are seedlings. The weather is not doing them anything because I have this plastic protecting them.